Sunshine, sunshine, sunshine. I think I found it now.
One, two,
I've
three.
been looking for. Isn't it beautiful? It's got my head all up in the clouds. I think I found it now. Yeah. Everything I want might be a miracle. I know I'm never coming down. I don't gotta worry about a single thing. I can feel the light coming down on me. Sunshine on my face.
Where you at?
Got sunshine on my face. I don't gotta care.
Let's go. Led. Bruno Mars. Hi guys, dito na kami sa Clark. Ayan o. Ang pangit ng lighting.
Wala nang pong bawas sa handler. Wala. Bawal po.
We're going to our boarding gate. Ano, one tayo? Going to Cebu. Ayan si Kuya. Ito yung airport ng Clark. Okay. See you there. Guys, itong Cebu. Cebu guys. Left. Thank you. Hi guys, dito
We're
kami sa
going
Cebu
to join
Pacific.
us, Mr. Gadon Ronald, Mr. Gadon
Kami na
Ronald,
Cebu.
and Miss Verdejo, Virginia. Miss Verdejo, Virginia, if your boy can acknowledge by raising your hand.
Let's go Cebu. Cebu. Welcome to Cebu. Hi guys. Ito na kami. Cebu. Ito yung sakyan natin guys. Hi Ace. Yan, nabili ko yan guys. Mura lang. Okay, let's go. Hello guys. Few hours later. Tingnan nyo guys. Groggy na guys. Now, makasalamin ka pa ba? Wala ko na isalamin. Ito na kami guys. Okay. guys. Dito na kami sa Mobile. Let's eat. So guys, ito. Hanap tayo ng kainan. Dito sa may Cebu. Guys. Hanap siya tayo guys. Okay, tara, let's go. Okay guys, dahil wala kaming napili, dito na lang muna kami kakain. Nilalagita mag-barbecue yata mo?
Hindi magpakaliti ka.
Nilalagita?
Patong.
Pat... Tiko. Putik, pitik. Okay guys, see you later. Okay guys, dito kami kakain. Nakaupo na kami. Guys, good morning. Cebu. Dito kami kakain guys. Yan, okay. Tara, pasok tayo sa loob guys. Yan guys. Yan nila. Sa loob. Yan. Kilap. Okay guys, kain na tayo. King order namin, no? Yan. Lep, sarap ba? Ha? Ganyan yung breakfast sa Amerika. Thank you, kuya. Plain butter. Okay. Hi guys, ito kami sa Malbol, Cebu. So dito ngayon tayo umaga. Kakatapos natin kumain. Ibigay natin sina Lab-Lab. Pumunta sa Oslo. Magtingin ng balyena.
1, 2, 3, na pa. Ayos. Isa pa mo ya. Ready, 1, 2, 3, na pa.
And guys, oh, ito yung favorite ni Lab-Lab. Yun, oh. Magkano kasi yan, te?
Dito 200. Okay lang, 100.
Bili tayo.
Yeah.
Sardinas?
Oh, top din. 100 kilo.
100.
Oh.
Yan na po guys. Yan si Caleb. Caleb. Okay guys. Hi guys, dito kami. Silip kami. Lep, tingin ka dito. Woo! later. Hi guys, welcome back. So day 2 na namin ngayon, lunch na. Kain muna kami. Kakaligo lang namin, ligo ulit mamaya. Galing sila sa Oslob sa mga whale shark. Kami naman dito lang tambay. Okay, kain muna tayo. Let's go. Ayan, order na tayo dito. Hungry Monkey. Hi guys, ito yung order namin. Tingin sa isa guys. Ito yung sa akin guys. Ayan o. Tofu sisig. Paksiw. Ano yan, Lep? Anong pangalan yan?
Chicken
Okay guys, wala pa yung iba. Hi guys, lunch na. Dito kami sa Monkey Monkey.
Sarap nung kay Gila, ba?
Order namin guys, oh. Yan, di ba? Sige. Sarap dito guys. Dito kami, Monkey Monkey. Hello.
Hello guys, I'm DVD.
Ikaw bayad utang.
DVD.
Ikaw bayad utang. Ikaw. Ako tubo konti.
DVD acho.
Ako konti kita.
I do
Ikaw bayad.
I do ching-chong.
Ching-chong, ching-chong.
Ching-chong.
Habibi. Dali kayo. Okay guys, punta na kami dun sa ano. Mag-swimming muna kami, okay? Hi guys, it's raining in Cebu. Di ka ba nilalamig? Tag-ulan na naman dito sa Molbo. Okay guys, swimming na kami. Let's go. Sama na! Picture ka!
1, 2, 1.
Is it
Good.
good? Okay guys, good experience. Left.
We saw turtle.
Okay. Okay guys, thank you.
Turtle.
Ligo na kami, tapos dinner. O, tikpan mo na yung camera. Let's go. Let's go. Okay guys, yun yung order namin. Calamari, burger, salads. Okay, wala pa yung order ko guys. Let's eat. Pito? Isa?
Pito 200 po.
Pito 200?
Malaman, ma'am.
Sige te, pabili ako.
May nagpabiak sa kabana.
Pabili ako mamaya. Hi guys, we're eating. Searching.
Songgi yeah. Songgi.
Specialty Philippines. Is it good?
Parang parang maalat.
Okay guys.
Mula ka naman natin yung
Yan guys.
Medyo pa video mo.
Pilawari. May ano? May buhagi.
Nangyari guys.
Te, hi ka muna sa vlog namin. Hi vlog. May gusto kang shoutout te. Shoutout sa nabili niyang gold. So guys, so let's go. Okay, thank you. Hi guys. Punta kami sa White Beach. Ito yung sakyan namin. Woohoo! Hi! Okay. Let's go. Hi guys. Punta kaming White Beach. Ito na. Ano tawag dito? Habal-habal. In Cebu. Okay. Let's go! Guys, dito na tayo sa White Beach. Tignan natin yung loob. Tara. Leb, swimming ka na, bilis. Lab, dilo ka. White Beach. Okay guys, ito na yon. Tambay lang kami dito. Tignan namin yung sunset. Then, balik na dun. Okay? See you.
Sinelas mo, Erwin. Sinelas mo. Love. Erwin, sinelas mo. Erwin.
Happy birthday! Birthday dinner! Woohoo! Namin guys. Kain na tayo. Let's go!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Here.
Taxi! Cute na eh.
Ayan, picture mo na. Mamarap yun. Taxi.
Bye Paxi, good night. Wala na.
Good night.
Stars shining bright above me. I
Salubong. Ano? Cebu. Guys, dito kami. Cebu. Salubong. Hey guys. Sila. 800. Sarap, lechon. Ito po yung lechon. Pinikman lang po namin. Konti lang. Okay. Tara, punta na tayong airport. Hi guys, welcome back. Dito na kami sa airport. Punta na kami ng Clark. Grabe guys. Solid, nakakahilo yung biyahe papuntang airport. Solid. Ito guys, oh, nakita nyo naman, nahilo pa ako. Okay. Sige, see you na lang sa Clark. Okay? Thank you, Cebu. Hi guys, tingit siya no? Isang kilo yan guys. Yan si Mama, yan si Caleb. Eh, sasakyan namin no? Okay, tara, uwi na tayo. Let's go! How's it? How's the trip? Is it good?
Adventurous. Pagod.
Sobrang pagod.
Camping gear. Leb. Kemo. Touchdown, Clark. Okay guys. Dito kami, Clark. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa Cebu. Okay, sa susunod na trip ulit. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you again. Let's go.
Isn't it beautiful? It's got my head all up in the clouds. I think I found it now. Everything I want might be a miracle. I know I'm never coming down. I don't gotta worry about a single thing. I can feel the light coming down on me. Sunshine on my face. I got sunshine on my face.
Bukas niya na.
Right now, higher than the ceiling, breaking through the clouds. Sunshine on my face. I got sunshine on my face. Yeah, I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I gotta let you know, it's so incredible.
Go.
I'm finally letting go. Up, up and away, yeah, we go. I found my flow right on time. Now I know what it feels
Bilhin nyo na lang
like.
yung nagtinda, wala nang balot.
Up, up,
Bilhin nyo yung nagtinda.